everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open Excel workbook with the start menu. Beside the previous method, you can open Excel workbooks in new window with the start menu. Please do as follows. Click the start button to show the menu and type Excel in the search box. Then click the Microsoft Excel in the program section. When a new blank workbook opened, uh, you can select blank workbook, and you can also add other files by clicking the file tab. Click open. In the open dialog box, find and select the workbook you want to open, and then click on it. And if the file does not exist, select another file, click open. And to open multiple workbooks you want, you just need to repeat the above steps one by one, and you can see the workbooks are opened. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.